Are you turning 70? Well, I'm not, but do you know someone that is? Well, this display is fantastic. It thought of everything. We have balloons, we have cake decor, we have tabletop decor, boingy boings, and 70s all over the place. But my favorite part is the banner. If you read everything on here, it just reminds you of when you were born. Let me show you what actually it all included and if it was hard to set up. Okay, let me just show you what it all includes because it is so much. You get everything you need to have a super duper party. So we have all of the little cutouts. We have the banner. Oh, the boingy boings. Loving the boingy boings. Oh, the fluffy outy things. Oh yes, in multiple colors. Love those. Happy birthday, more banners and string. Oh, and this banner is great. Okay, we almost have it all the way up, but I wanted to show you some of the cuteness of it. Simplicity, just opening and they remembered everything. Even if you had a little cake for this to go on, that would be fantastic. The muted colors is amazing for those that don't like the wah colors of their life, but the actual banner itself, it goes over what was happening in 1956, back in that day, the radio stations, what was on TV, sports, famous people that were born. They thought of everything. If you are in need of this great display to celebrate someone that is turning 70 this year for you, this is what I would choose.